Hi, welcome to Escape Room Coding. Today we are creating a simple program which is called Treasure Island. In this program, we will learn how to use multiple if-else statement. We will use lower to handle user input. Lower is a function, okay, which will uh, convert the user input into lowercase. So we will use lower for case sensitive comparison. We will use this particular website, which is called skartgenerator.org, to generate art like this. All right, let me create the program first, and then we will go through each and every line and understand what each and every statement does. So let's begin. All right, so I'm done with the development. Let me explain what I have done and what are the steps involved. First of all, this particular statement print this. So this is an art which I have generated from ASCII uh, where you need to upload a file, an image file, and click on start. It will generate a file something like this. So what I did, I just selected everything, copied, and pasted in my code here. So that's how I generated that. I used it because these kind of art, if you do manually, it's quite complicated. I mean, it will take a lot of time to do so. So that's why I have used that. You guys can try that as well. All right, next. So next is I have just printed two lines. First is welcome to Treasure Island. The second is your mission is to find the treasure. So these are the two first line I have printed. Next is I have created a variable called choice. This choice one will store user's first input. Now the statement is you are at a crossroad. Where do you want to go? Type left or right. I'm converting the user's input to lowercase so that when I'm checking, I don't have to, when I'm validating user's choice, I don't have to convert at the time of validation. So that's why I have accepted the user input in lowercase. Now, if the user's choice is equal to left, my statement is you fell into a pit of quicksand, game over. So this is our first if statement. What if the user has chosen right? So we'll go to else part. In else, I have one more state, and I'm taking one more input from user, that is choice 2. You have come across a lake. There is an island in the middle. Type wait or wait for it. Type wait for a boat or swim. Again, I'm converting this into lowercase. Let me put a comma here. Yes. Now, if choice 2 equal to wait, what my statement is, you were attacked by a giant trout, game over. Now, if you choose to swim, if the player enters swim, so we'll go to an else statement. Here again, I'm accepting one more input from user. Choice 3, you have arrived at the island Adham. There are 3 doors, red, yellow, blue. Which one do you choose? Accepting the input in lowercase. If choice 3 equal to red, okay, if the user input red, what I'm printing is burnt by fire, game over. If the choice 3 is yellow, you found the treasure and you win. So this is the statement which says, the user win. Now, if the choice 3 is blue, what I'm saying is the door does not exist, game over. So yeah, this is the simple program. Let me execute this. You can see the output. The output should be here. Right, so this is the art I was talking about. So it looks good when you print. So yeah, you guys can try it. Now, welcome to Treasure Island. Your mission is to find the treasure. You are at a crossroad. Where do you want to go? Type left or else? I type left. Now you fell into a pit of quicksand. Game over. I will re-execute the program. There you go. Right. So this time I'll say I go right. Okay. You have come to a lake. There is an island in the middle. Type wait for a boat or swim. I'll say swim. You have arrived at the island unharmed. There are 3 doors. Now this time, since I know which door to choose because I developed the program, so simply I'll say yellow. Right. It says you found the treasure, you win. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. So I hope you guys have learned something in this program. So the question is why I'm developing this simple program, because I am a beginner in Python. I want to learn the language. I am from a programming background, but I am, you know, uh, studying Python and practicing this simple statement before I move on to the next. So that's why I'm creating this simple mini programs, also sharing it on the YouTube so that you guys also, if you are a beginner, you can learn or you can share your thoughts on it. Practice this program and see what is the output you get, and also comment me, write your comments below. Tell me what are the arts you have used, what is the error you are getting when you are developing this program. Feel free to ask any questions you have. I will try and help, or at least I will learn from your mistakes. So yeah. All right. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.